I always take pride of making things by myself, and the exhaust couldn't be different. I got this 3-inch exhaust pipe and some other parts that's going to be the foundation for me. The Supra is in the garage. It is working. Everything is assembled as it should. And the best part is the car is starting. I just need to finish the downpipe, which doesn't look very good, but I'm going to cover the holes, use this here as my first cut. I'm going to make this work, and then once this is in the car is working and all that stuff, I'm going to make a better one. But the exhaust, which is going to connect in there, is going to be good. I'll link in the description, but what I got was a 3-inch to 3-inch resonator, and I got a muffler. I got 4 of those hangers, 2 of those clamps with a gasket, and you can't miss this one. This is very important. You might need a longer one. I tried longer one on the Eclipse. BMW has one too, but this is what's gonna help the exhaust to flex a little bit. I also got 2 of those V-bands, the complete kit, which comes with the 2 V-bands and the V-band itself, and a kit, but I'm mostly interested on the long ones. Okay, so far this is the first cut. I'm gonna redo that one. I'm gonna make another one of those, but it is like that. I have the downpipe, which is perfect right there, but this here gotta be inclined that way, so I might need to cut in here somewhere, get one more pipe cut and put it inverted in here. Exciting day today. Look what I've done. So I made it. So I plan to make this for a while, and I was in between buying a new one or making it. I know that the bought one would be much better, but I wouldn't have the pleasure of making it. One of the principles that I carry with me is, if you can make it by yourself, you have more pleasure. I'm not even sure what I'm talking about. So you can see this goes all the way down. This is where the downpipe meets the exhaust. It goes all the way up, and then flex pipe so it doesn't break anything, and then it goes all the way down. Now I'm gonna put the last part. There's a little gasket that goes in there, and then that part right there. So I'm not gonna scratch this. I'm gonna hold it with 2 hands, and there you go. Here. I spent way more money than I would spend if I bought it, but I would not learned as much as I did. So next one is going to be the intercooler piping. I got here pipe, aluminum pipe. I got on eBay a few. Crap, cannot even weld it, and I need to do some turns and a quick connect on the front. It's not going to happen, so I end up spending more money buying that. And very soon the hood is going to be here, the fenders are going to be here, and the car is going to be on the road. So stay tuned. And later.